minus 10y is equal minus 40 is equal to 0. Minus 40 is equal to 0. Always we have to write it in the standard form or general form of a linear equation in two variables. That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c3 is equal to 0. If it is in the right side, take it to the left side. Next, already I have said so many times. Next, what we have to do? If we have to find a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. What is a1 by a2? 3 by 6, a1 by a2. b1 by b2, we have to find the ratios. Minus 5 by minus 10. c1 by c2, minus 20 by minus 40. See here all ratios are equal to 3 ones are 3 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are. Minus minus cancel. Here also minus minus get cancel. 21 are 22 are. So if all the ratios are equal, then by the table what we can tell? The given lines are coincident. By table I have said they are coincident. They are coincident. If they are coincident, they have infinite number of solutions. Therefore, they have infinite number of solutions. See, what they have asked, only if they exist unique solutions. Means a1 is not equal to b1, then only we have to find x and y. Then only we have to find x and y. Here we are getting what? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So therefore they have infinite number of solutions. Means the lines are coincident lines. Got this? Again, fourth problem. Similarly, we have to check the ratio. If a1 is not, fourth problem is same as second problem. So do it for your homework. The answer will be x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. This is for your homework. You have to find the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. In that question, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then the lines are intersecting lines. So it has only one solution. You have to find that solution. Means you have to find x and y value by cross multiplication method, which we have done same in the second problem. That is 2x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Similar to that problem. Next. Clear? Next question what we have to do is, this is similar to example 16. Second question is similar to example 16. What they have given, find for which value of a and b does the pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions. We have to find a and b values. Given that they have infinite number of solutions. So what we have to do is, shall I erase? Okay. First we have to write a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. See here. What is the given? Write it in the standard form. 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Equation 1. Always you have to write it in the standard form. A minus b into x plus A plus B into y, b into y minus, what is the given? Minus 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. Take this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Is it right? What we have to write? We have to take minus to the left hand side and 3a plus b minus 2 to the left hand side. It becomes minus. Here also it becomes minus. Now write a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. What is a1 by a2? That is equal to 2 by a minus b. That is equal to 2 by a minus b. b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is 3 by a plus b. 3 by a plus b. And c1 by c2 is equal to minus 7 by minus 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, here what we can do, we can cancel minus and minus, you will get 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. This is c1 by c2 value. This is c1 by c2 value. This is b1 by b2 value. This is a1 by a2 value. We have to compare these two. We have to compare any two. We have to compare any two to find a and b values. To find a and b values. What we have to do is, we need two equations to solve x and y. Here also we need two equations to solve a and b. So we have to write those two equations by these ratios. By these ratios. Given that it has infinite number of solutions. These two lines are having infinite number of solutions means, what is the condition for infinite number of solutions? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, we can compare any of these two. Compare these two and these two. Okay, what is a1 by a2? 2 by a minus b. Compare a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. 2 by a minus b and 3 by a plus b, which gives 2 into a plus b, cross multiplication, 3 into a minus b. 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. This gives everything sent to the right side. 3a minus 3b minus 2a minus 2b is equal to 0. 3a minus 2a is a. Minus 3b minus 2b is minus 5b is equal to 0. Take this equation as 1. Take this equation as 1. So we got one equation. Now we have to solve another equation. Now you have to solve another equation. Compare 2 by a minus b and 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, means a1 by a2, c1 by c2. Next, what we have to do? Compare. This is first equation comparison. This is second equation comparison. What is a1 by a2? Here. This is b1 by b2. Okay. Compare these two. a1 by a2, c1 by c2. What is a1 by a2? Equation 2 implies comparison. Equation 2 comparison. This is here. 2 by a minus b. No need to write equation 2 implies because we didn't find out equation 2 till now. So write directly. Compare by comparing or by comparison. By comparison, c1 by c2 is 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, so solve this by cross multiplication. 2 into 3a plus b minus 2. Here what I have done is I am taking everything to the right side. 2a, 2 minus here. Okay, like this we have to do the same thing. A minus b. 3 2 na plus 2b minus 4 is equal to 7a minus 7b. A should be positive. Take everything to the right side. Okay. take everything to the right side. It becomes 7a minus 7b. This goes to the right side. What happens? Minus 6a minus 2b plus 4 is equal to 0. Here 7a minus 6a. 7a minus 6a is a minus 7b minus 4 is equal to 0. Take this equation as 2. Okay. Next, what we have to do? Here 0 is there to compare. Take this minus 4 to the right side. What happens? A minus 9b is equal to 4. However you want, you can take the equation also is valid. This equation is also valid. Okay. Next, what we have to do is we have to solve these two equations. We have to solve these two equations by elimination method. What is the elimination method? From a minus 5b is equal to 0, a minus 9b is equal to 4. Here what we can do? We can subtract or add. Subtract 1 minus 2. Subtract 1 minus 2. Means what happens here? Sign changes. Minus becomes plus becomes minus. Plus and minus get cancelled. Plus 9 minus 4 is 4b is equal to minus 4. Therefore, b is equal to minus 1. b is equal to minus 1. Substitute this b is equal to minus 1 in either equation 1 or equation 2. What will you get? What will you get? You will get a value. We will get a value. See this properly. Substitute what? b is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. This equation. Therefore, equation 1 implies a minus 5 into b is minus 1 or plus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 0. A minus into minus plus 5 is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 5. A is equal to minus 5. Therefore, what are the values of a and b? Minus 5. Wait a minute. 5 into b should be plus 1. Minus becomes plus. Somewhere we have that wrong. Wait a second. Is equal to minus 4. Okay, here see, this is plus 4. This is plus 4. Next here becomes it is minus 4. This becomes plus. So it becomes plus. So this also becomes plus. Substitute b is equal to plus 1 in equation 1. It becomes minus. So this becomes plus. Got this? Here we have a small sign mistake. So we got wrong answers. Where here plus 4. If you take this to the right hand side, it becomes minus 4. So minus becomes plus here. So here plus 4 and plus 4. 4 get cancelled. Remaining is plus 1. So substitute b is equal to plus 1 in equation 1. So find 1 is minus 5. This comes to the right side. It becomes a is equal to 5. Got this? Similarly, the same problem. What are these values? For a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. The given, what is the given? The pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions. The given pair of linear equations have infinite number of solutions. Okay. This is what we have to find out. Initially, what we have to do in this problem, write a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. And by the given condition, what is the given? They have infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions exist in which ratio? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Compare any two ratios, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, A1 by A2 and C1 by C2. After comparing, you will get two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Solve these two by any method which you want. Better elimination method is easy. So then you will get B value, substitute this B value in any of the two equations, you will get A value. So A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1 is the given pair of linear equations have infinite number of solutions. This is the given condition. Okay, which we have to find out. Next question, here they have infinite number of solutions. In the next question, they said they have no solutions. They have no solutions. Means what? They are parallel. Condition of parallel line is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. But not equal to C1 by C2. Go and refer the table. If you don't know, go and refer the table. Usually now what we have to do, we have to write it in the standard form or general form. Next write A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Okay. Next question.